Learn Up TV, where learning is a joyful adventure. Guess baby animal names. Hello little explorers, today we are going on a fascinating journey to discover animals and their adorable babies. Are you ready? Let's find out. Let's start with the king of the jungle, the lion. Can you guess what a baby lion is called? That's right, a baby lion is called a cub. Now let's move on to our next animal. Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, it's time to waddle over to our feathery friend, the duck. Can you guess what a baby duck is called? Duckling. Quacky, good job. A baby duck is indeed called a duckling. Ducks are known for their webbed feet and love for the water. Now, let's flap our wings and discover other animals. Move over to farmyard. Say hello to the gentle and friendly cows. Can you guess what a baby cow is called? Absolutely right. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows provide us with milk and they are known for their big brown eyes. Now let's move on to our next creature. Giddy up little explorers. It's time to meet the graceful and strong horse. Can you guess what a baby horse is called? Absolutely right. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses are known for their speed and beauty. Now, let's trot over to the next animal. Alright explorers, meet the tiger. A fierce and magnificent big cat. Can you guess what a baby tiger is called? Great job! You are absolutely right. A baby tiger is called a cub. Tigers are known for their stunning stripes and powerful roars. Now, let's find out about another fascinating creature. Let's visit the fluffy world of sheep. Little explorers, can you guess what a baby sheep is called? Yes, they are cute, but they have their name. What is the name of the baby sheep? That's correct. A baby sheep is called lamb. Sheep are known for their warm, woolly coats. Now, let's gallantly hop over to our next animal. Time for buck, 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 and back away into a coop to meet our feathered friends, the chickens. Can you guess what a baby chicken is called? That's correct. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens are known for their delicious eggs and funny buck, 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 clucking sounds. Now, let's fly over to our next animal adventure. Woof, woof. Say hello to our loyal and furry pals, the dogs. Can you guess what a baby dog is called? Absolutely right. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dogs are known for their wagging tails and unconditional love. Now let's fetch some more knowledge about another animal. Yes, time to curl up and meet our independent and graceful friends, the cats. Can you guess what a baby cat is called? Correct! A baby cat is called a kitten. Meow! Meow! They're so cute. Cats are known for their purr and soft fur. Now, let's meow! Meow! Now, let's move on to our next furry friend. Whoop! 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 We are back to our adorable friends, the rabbits. Can you guess what a baby rabbit is called? That's right, little explorers. A baby rabbit is called a kit. They are known for their fluffy tails and long ears. Now, let's hop over to the next animal. Yes, we are hopping over to our lily pad loving friend. Yes, the frogs. Can you guess what a baby frog is called? Correct, you're absolutely right. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Frogs are known for their croaks and impressive leaves. Now, let's flutter over to the next enchanting creature. Time to flutter into the colorful world of butterflies. Can you guess what a baby butterfly is called? Yes, I know they are so cute butterflies, but their baby butterflies are also too cute. Brilliant! A baby butterfly is called caterpillar. Butterflies are known for their graceful flight and vibrant wings. Now, let's buzz over to the next tiny wonder. Boing, boing! Yeah! We are hopping over to the land of kangaroos. Can you guess what a baby kangaroo is called? A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Kangaroos are known for their incredible leaves and pouches, and the babies always growing up in the pouch. It's very difficult to see them inside their mom's pouch. And time to scratch our necks and meet the towering giraffes. Can you guess what a baby giraffe is called? You're spot on, explorers. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Giraffes are known for their long necks and unique spots. Now, let's take a giant leap to another animal adventure. Let's trot our way to the land of elephants. Can you guess what a baby elephant is called? You have got it, little explorers. A baby elephant is called a calf. Elephants are known for their impressive size and long trunks. Fantastic job, little explorers. You have learned about incredible animals and their adorable babies today. Animals and their young ones are all around us, making our world a more exciting place. Thank you for joining us on the wild adventure through the animal kingdom. Remember to keep exploring, learning, and cherishing the amazing creatures that share our planet with us. It's time for me to sign out. Bye bye.